Okay, so let's have a look on these past year questions. We do all of them. Okay, the part A first, it says at least 4 doctors. So I want to rearrange them in the committee. Okay, not rearrange. I want to form a committee. So it is combination or permutation?
Combination.
Why is it a combination. Choose is not the right answer. Because it's, when you want to form a committee, it does not have any post, right? So that means it does not matter, the arrangement. So we can say here committee, say here arrangement does not matter. So yeah, for 6 members, so that means how many places? 6 places. At least 4 doctors. So either I can have myself doctor, and architect, or what?
More doktor tambah.
More than that. We are this way. Doctor, architect. Or all doctors lah. It's not that entirely difficult. Have some color variation. So for the 4 doctors, how many doctors we have? 8C4
Times.
times 6C2. Same goes for this one here, 6C1, 8C5, 8C6. Nothing but times. Yeah, okay? How do we connect all of this data? Plus and up. This one is easy. Let's move on. This is quite tough. So it's the same case. If they want to sit in a row, arranging in a row, such that always in the group of same expertise. Okay, first and foremost, combination or permutation?
Permutation.
Permutation for sure, because arranging in the row, arrangement matters. But can someone understand this line? Always in the group of the same expertise. What does it mean? By pair. By pair.
Doctors sit with doctors.
Doctors sit with doctors.
Architect sit with
And at the
architect.
same time, architect must sit with architect. So this is the case where we can say there are 2 groups. Because there are 2 expertise. What we have done so far is there is only one. Okay, what kind of difference does it make? So yes, it has 8 doctors, 6 architects. So 14 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the possible way of doing things right now is that doctors, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the rest over here is architect. And they must sit together. Do you understand what does it mean by same expertise now? Group of the same expertise. Okay, do you remember the question that we have done for group? Firstly, what do you check? If there's a group, we do this 3 things. First is placement of groups. arrangement in group. Finally, arrangement outside group. Same goes for here inside. Okay, placement of groups. That means the doctor can either sit here or the doctor can sit beside. I can either have doctor architect or architect doctor. So how many placement? You okay with that? And then arrangement in group. We have 8 doctors. How many places? 8 places. So it's gonna be 8p8. Same goes for here. Times 6p6. You okay with that? What about arrangement outside group? Do we have something else outside the group? We don't have, so we don't have to calculate for this one. Okay? So now how do I connect this data?
Times.
Times. Why times? Same case. Okay, so this is how you solve for when there are 2 groups. Maybe one. You okay with that? I think we go back over here. Now what about this question? You want to select 4 members for the press, for the post of press, vice, and secretary treasurer. First and foremost, is this combination or permutation? Why is it a combination? Why? That's not an arrangement or? Come again?
Choose.
Yes, I like the answers because select is the same as choose, and that's the moment when I say it's a bad advice. That's what I've been telling. Don't ever trust the word select or choose. Okay? This is a bad advice. Why? Because when you're talking about post, arrangement matters. I mean, like, come on. I mean, you don't mind someone be president. You don't mind someone be treasury. I mean, you do mind. This person become president. You like, this cannot be. Mana boleh? Should be someone else. Alright. So when it comes to post, committee with the post, or team with the post, then arrangement matters. So be extra careful. Alright? So, and remember what I told you, this is a bad advice. Okay, so how many members do we have? We have 14. How many places? With the post? Is there any rules that someone must be what or whatever? So how do we calculate this one? What's the best way to go? We got 4 places. Arrangement matters, so that means P. Is there any rules someone must be what? There's no rules. So this is the question where there are no restriction. Understand? So it's going to be 18? 14, yeah. Okay. 14? Before. You okay? Understand? And finally, forming a committee. This time there are rules. committee of 6 members. With the doctor as press, architect as treasurer. What about the, okay, this is first, second, never mind. We will discuss it in details. So 6 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the first one is press. The second one is treasurer. The press must be a doctor. The treasurer must be an architect. How do we calculate this one first? Remind ourselves again.
8P1.
8 doctors and 6 architects. So how do we calculate for press?
8P1.
8P1 or 8C1?
P1.
Why P? Because that's the post. Arrangement matters. Any argument for 8C1? The answer is the same anyway. Because it's just 1.
6P1.
You can say 6P1. Or if you just say, because I have 8 people, can I just write down 8 and 6? Yes, you may. Right? It's up to preferences. Some people want to be super kiasu, that sticks to P because it's a post. I have no problem with it. Some people say, hey, does not matter, makes life easier, go for 8. I don't mind, as long as we get the same answers. Okay, now how do we calculate the rest?
12 people.
Why 12?
Because we minus the 2.
Because 2 people has been selected, alright? So that means this one become 7, this one become 5. I have 12 people left. And how many posts? 4 posts. So it's going to be 12 P4. Are you guys okay? Sure? That's the wrong answer. Why is it wrong? Why is it a C? I cannot hear.
Arrangement
doesn't matter.
Why arrangement doesn't matter?
Because there's no.
Dia tak cakap apa. Okay, we can basically say, okay, there are no positions for this post. So basically these are just, in Malay, AJK. Just an extra committee member for you to do the work. Okay? It's a place with no position. So AJK1, AJK2, AJK3, and committee 1, they have no power that I'm higher than you. Understand that? For this case, arrangement does not matter.
Slide.
Yeah. This is a mixed question. So it's not going to be P, it's going to be C. Do you understand that part? Okay, now how do I connect all of this data?
It's going to be
The times. Why is it a times? Because it's the same case. You okay? This is not easy. First time meeting it. You alright? Thank you. That's all for today. Please comment, like, subscribe, share the video.